All right, we are back doing more of the Pythagorean theorem and space diagonals. So we have this rectangular prism that you can see a bunch of different letters and numbers and all sorts of stuff. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok at YouWantAlgebra. These are found in the Pythagorean theorem playlist. So we're looking to find out what the length of AB is, which is this down here. So this is like a space diagonal from the top corner to the bottom opposite corner on the diagonal. Now, in order for us to do that, we do need to first figure out this diagonal here, we're going to figure out, and then we're going to find out the diagonal up here. Because we do have right angles, because this is a rectangular prism, we can start off by using the diagonal on the base here, the 3, 4, and then if we know what a Pythagorean triple is, we should know what this length is, but I'm going to show you how to do it by hand. So Pythagorean triples are some famous 3-number setups that you can easily remember if you can. So this is the legs, because these two are the legs because everything is a right angle. So we've got 3 squared plus 4 squared, that's our a squared plus b squared, and we're going to set it equal to our c squared, which is this diagonal right here. This is going to be 9 plus 16, that's 3 times 3 and 4 times 4. And when I add those together, I get 25. And square root both sides to get c by itself. And this is a nice Pythagorean triple because it is equal to 5. It's a perfect square. So we now know that this length right here is 5. We don't have any units on this, so we're going to just leave it as units. And then in order for me to figure out this hypotenuse right here, I need to have this piece right here as well as the one I just found out, the 5 here. Now this is the same height as this, which we know is 12 because it says it right here. So we're going to use this. This is another Pythagorean triple. And we're going to use this leg of 5. And we're going to square that. That's our a squared. Our b squared is our next longest side. 12 squared, or 144. And we're going to set it equal to find our c squared, which is our hypotenuse. And when we do that, we add these two together, we get 169, and then we want to square root both sides to get that square out of there. And again, this is a nice perfect square. C equals 13. So our finalized answer for AB would be a 13-unit piece. And if you want more questions, like I said, find them in my Pythagorean playlist at YouWantAlgebra in both YouTube as well as TikTok. Or you can find these also on my Instagram, the same name.